Auburn Automobile Company factory in Connersville, Indiana, 1936. The birthplace of the car 30 years ahead of its time.
Lift it steady now, watch the chain.
Clear the sand from the base.
Here we see the precise drilling of the oil galleries. The three main bearing saddles are carefully torqued. This unique design was the key to the Cord engine's legendary smoothness. Here we see the meticulous process of finishing the 1936 cylinder head, ensuring every dimension is precise.
The searing heat refines the steel, preparing the crankshaft for the arduous task ahead. Precision grinding ensures a perfect finish.
Precision is paramount. The crankshafts are ground to a tolerance of 0.001 inches before the vital oil passages are bored through the journals.
These are the connecting rods for the 1936 model, forged for strength, then precisely machined at both ends for the Babbitt bearings.
Once cast, the aluminum pistons are carefully machined. The worker then installs the vital piston rings into their grooves. The connecting rods are attached. The mechanic then rotates the crankshaft.
Pressure looks good, steady at 40 psi.
Note the identification tag here. This serial number confirms it is indeed an original 1936 Cord engine.
Here we see the freshly machined mounting surfaces, ensuring a perfect seal. The input shaft bearings are then pressed precisely into place. Here we see the sequential installation of the planetary assemblies, a marvel of 1936 engineering, allowing for 4-speed operation. A true leap in convenience, this electrical quadrant switch allowed drivers to select gears with a mere flick of the finger.
The output shaft is installed and the speedometer drive gear mounted. Finally, the correct lubricant is added.
Manufactured with unprecedented precision, the Rzeppa joint was a true innovation, decades ahead of the industry in 1936.
Observe this marvel of modern engineering, the constant velocity joint, a revolutionary design.
Here we see the CV joint boots properly installed and the boot clamps secured.
Fabricated with precision, these spline drive axles and their robust CV joints were revolutionary for 1930s front-wheel drive systems.
The firewall panel is welded directly to the chassis structure.
All right, steady now, taking her over the line.
Clear on this side, slow down just a bit for the alignment.
This intricate cavity marks a pivotal moment in design, the world's first hidden headlight, sparking the 1930s automotive revolution.
The iconic Coffin and nose hood, featuring horizontal louvers replacing the traditional grille.
The stamp brackets are original, but these support struts were entirely fabricated in-house, a testament to 30s engineering.
This symmetrical design allowed the same panel to be used on both the front and rear. The cowl panel is stamped and welded directly to the firewall.
The stamped deck lid and hinges represent the height of 1936 engineering, seamlessly integrating with the fabricated trunk floor.
In 1936, the Cord introduced revolutionary styling. This is the iconic 1936 Cord, instantly recognizable by its groundbreaking coffin nose assembly. This semi-monocoque unit body construction marked an industry first. The 1936 Cord introduced a truly revolutionary chassis design. The vulcanized rubber provides vibration isolation, essential for a smoother ride in these early models. State-of-the-art CNC machines ensure precision coiling. The 1936 rear suspension utilized these robust semi-elliptic leaf springs. The shackles connected the spring to the completed rear axle housing, fabricated precisely to 1930 specifications, is mounted to the chassis via these robust leaf springs.
The massive vertical lathe bores into the cast iron drum.
The hydraulic system is blend all air, ensuring proper pressure.
This precision steering system, with its carefully installed bearings, ensured the legendary handling of the 1936 Cord.
Sourced directly from the Stinson division, these aircraft lights provided the foundation for the revolutionary 1936 hidden headlight mechanism.
The 1936 Cord introduced true revolution, the world's first retractable headlights, a marvel of engineering. Here we see the ingenious worm and sector mechanism, showcasing the precision engineering typical of the 1930s.
This intricate system, unique to 1936, relies entirely on these hand cranks and a series of braided steel cables. These seals are essential for the hidden system. Now we finalize the aim.
Here at the factory, every cord is a masterpiece. We mix special order colors right here, ensuring a perfect match for our discerning clientele.
right, bring her down another 2 inches. Easy now, watch the lines.
The 1936 Cord's drivetrain was truly revolutionary. Note the innovative transaxle design.
The mechanical fuel pump draws the gasoline, sending it through the rigid fuel line to the downdraft carburetor.
This force induction upgrade, seen here being fitted to the 812 model, successfully boosted output from 125.
Perhaps the most dramatic styling cue of the supercharged model, these external pipes became the signature of the legendary 1937 Cord 812.
Easy now, watch the front.
A little to the left.
All right, bring her down slow.
The flowing Art Deco curves define the era, but aligning this rear-hinged hood assembly was always the trickiest part of the 1936 body completion.
Lit and the dashboard body is complete, showcasing a restored 1930s interior. The rear seat frame is installed and upholstered, matching the front. Premium materials throughout exemplify 1930s automotive luxury. Custom trim, window crests, and door ratings matured. The floor carpeting is installed. Kick panels mounted on the sides. The side window glass is installed. The welding net, a 1930s safety feature. Exterior chrome trim applied. Side mirror installed. Rubber weather stripping installed around doors and trunk. The cooling system is filled with water and antifreeze, bled of air pockets. Next, the engine crankcase is filled with oil, completing the 1936 fluid filling. Transmission filled with the correct lubricant. Differential filled with gear oil. Brake master cylinder filled and checked.
Good. It's warming up. No vibrations.
The Cord leaves the factory for road testing on the Auburn track, verifying its 1936 quality. The revolutionary Bendix Preselector transmission of 1936. Fingertip selection engages gears smoothly, proving its innovative design. Steering response and feel tested. Brake performance verified. Front-wheel drive traction checked. 1930s handling evaluation. Independent front suspension operation tested. Smooth ride quality verified. 1936 chassis technology proven. All controls verified operating properly. Windows roll smoothly. Door and trunk locks tested. 1936 function verification complete. Protective seat covers are installed to safeguard the interior. The Cord agents were America's most advanced automobiles, a masterpiece by Gordon Buehrig before Auburn's bankruptcy. 1936 innovation unseen for 30 years. The Cord 810, with its Coffin Thursday ahead of its time, glides into automotive history. Setting backlash on a 1930s transaxle for quiet operation requires adjustments are made. This Stinson landing light mechanism is adapted for automotive headlight use innovation from aviation to ground vehicles. This fingertip gear selector let drivers pre-select gears without looking away from the road, a 1930s safety innovation.
Aligning the Schwitzer-Cummins blower now. Subir questão de performance.
And features a rare customization, pleated cloth upholstery, a hallmark of its era's luxury. Gordon Buehrig's masterpiece, the 1936 Cord 810, completed at the Auburn factory.